And get your overalls on. Thinks you're gonna wear them? Come here. Oh, I don't know if they're gonna fit. Uh-oh. Fit in. Uh-oh. You might be a little too chubby for these. Come here.
She's a little too chubby for a lot of things.
Come here. See if you can get them on. Uh-oh. And what's the matter? Are they tight? Come here. Let's see if we can get one leg on first. Oh, I don't think these are going. I think Jacob must be thinner than you because we're not getting those on. It's the wrong leg. No, it isn't. Come here. Try one more time. Come here. Hi, puppies. Come here. Try again. Come here. Try real quick. Come here. Which leg do I have? Put your foot in. Put your foot in. Come on. Is it too small? It's not working. Come here. Come on, come on. I know, they're a little tight. Hang on, hang on. Hang on. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, we'll get your toe in there. Get your toe in. They're so skinny, your toe's getting caught up. Oh, dog's okay. Dog's okay. I think that's as far as it's going. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm laughing at you. They're too little. Sorry. They're too little. I can't get up with that butt. All right, come here. Let's take them off. Come here. Let's take them off, Chubs.